back the glory to God is a recurring theme in Kuku Rugby Football Club, emphasizing that all success, blessings, and talents originate from His divine grace alone rather than human efforts. It's an acknowledgement that God is the source of all good things that happens around the KRFC community, and therefore all honor should be directed toward Him and Him alone. May God bless the Kuku Rugby Football community, and may God bless us all. Kuku Rugby Football community, and may God bless us all. Kuku Rugby Football community, and may God bless us all. Kuku Rugby Football community, and may God bless us all. Kuku na noqu vanua au na matevua. And may God bless us all. Kuku Rugby Football community.